Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the resistance on their ProForm Hometrainer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Ensure your ProForm 325 CSX Hometrainer is turned on and the console display is visible. Step 2. Locate buttons. Identify the quick resistance buttons on your console screen to adjust the resistance. Step 3. Press number. Press any numbered quick resistance button for your preferred resistance level. Step 4. Fine-tune level. Use increase or decrease buttons beside the quick resistance buttons for fine-tuning. Step 5. Check obstructions. If resistance feels unusually difficult, ensure nothing obstructs the flywheel's motion. Now you should be able to adjust the resistance to a comfortable level. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other ProForm users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.